Bonjour everyone, Madame Blue here. Happy Sunday. I'm getting ready to do my sister's hair. Y'all know how little sisters are. So we're doing a full sew-in with the closure. I'm actually going to take this old frontal. And it looks real thin. It's really not. And cut like right here and make it a closure. So yeah, I don't have anything. We got needle and thread, but I don't have the stuff I put on the hair before I braid. And I don't have any gel or anything to braid with. So she's about to get a janky sew-in. What you want, the middle part? She's going the middle part, and she got 4 bundles. So she got more than enough hair. I don't have my tripod or nothing. Just go ahead. Cut one flap off. Pull away extra hair because you are going to cut some of the hair. Now we have a closure piece. So, done 2 bundles so far. This is the end of the second bundle. She had 3 initially, but we did the flip over method with this hair. And when you do that, you lose a lot of the hair. You gotta do those little pieces. So it's been 12 minutes. We're almost done. She gotta be somewhere at 4. Y'all, somehow, someway, I magically did the closure in 3 bundles in 23 minutes. It usually takes me like 15 minutes per bundle, so I don't know how I did that, but bonjour everyone, Madame Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, Vlogmas day 14. Tomorrow my brother's birthday, by the way, and my But I am on my way to get my oil changed, and I totally forgot about it, so I am late. Like, not how I say usually late because I don't give myself an hour. Late as in my appointment is in 8 minutes and the travel time is 20 minutes. So yeah, and we got some construction up here. Arizona be getting on my nerves. So these are the things I'm looking for, and they have some plastic ones I want to put in my drawers because my drawers are a mess. So now I'm at my shop. I didn't record much at my god kid's house because we didn't really do nothing. I mean, I was there for like 5 hours. We did some letters, and then we watched some movies, and I fell asleep because I was tired. And then I decided to leave at 5, mainly because my phones were dead. So as you see, I just glued 2 jewels back onto the chair. I lost jewels 3 different times, which is very aggravating because this chair costs a lot of money. I think it's because when I clean it, it gets wet. I don't know, but they sent me some glue, the people that I bought the chair from, so that's what I was using. Basically, I'm trying to organize my room so that it doesn't look so messy. I have so much stuff. I don't know how to get rid of stuff, and it's annoying. So I bought these little cubby drawers, whatever they're called, just so I can put everything in them and try to hide them. It's better for me because I know where everything is, but I still gotta figure something out because I just have too much stuff and I don't want anything to be showing. The bottom row of that trolley has most of my curlers in it. I decided to keep, I think, 3 curlers in there. One was some cheap flat irons that I honestly have not used in probably, whenever I got those blue Babyliss flat irons, I stopped using the cheese. So I'm just going to take those home because I'm not going to use them. And I threw out all of my Marcel irons because honestly they were not good quality. Like, they were not good quality since I had them. I don't, y'all, when I tell y'all I keep everything, I literally keep everything. I got those Marcels, the whole entire set, for my 18th birthday back in 2007. Some of those irons I never used because the quality was trash. I had to replace the stove 2 different times, and the stove that I have now is a different brand. Like, literally, I have never used those irons, but because I cannot get rid of stuff, I was like, I need to keep them. How about this whole time I thought my phone was charging and it was never plugged into the wall. So this thing right here that I'm filling up is a disinfectant, but it also gets rid of stains really well. But when COVID happened, the hair stores did not have that in stock, y'all. Like, I was literally down to the last drippy drop, and not a single hair store that we shop at had it in stock. I had to literally get that big jug off of Amazon. It was not on Prime. It was like over $60, and I was like, what the heck? Even that blue thing I had to use, that's another disinfectant, they did not have that either. I'm like, when we had to shut down, I was like, okay, when we open up, how I'm going to disinfect? So it probably still looks just as messy because I have too much stuff. But I pretty much want everything to have those boxes, and I might have to go back and get bigger ones because I don't want anything to be shown. I just got too much stuff. I use all that stuff. I use all that. So usually per client. So, but this is so much better. I know where everything is. This again. I want to get drawers for those, but they're long and they're long height-wise, but short width and lengthwise. So it's hard to find some that actually fit. But yeah, the last thing I'm going to do is mop. This is the most annoying thing about where I work, this tray. And I guess today is the day that it's going to be extremely long.
All that other bullshit.